So I got a question of one of my viewers recently, and here it is. And this was on one of my video wishlist tutorials, and to tell you the truth, this can actually be done. Okay, I am on my computer and now I am going to Amazon.ca in this case, but you can go to any Amazon.com or any Amazon from wherever you are, okay? So now let's go to my wish list. I'm gonna choose this wish list just for these video purposes. So now let's say that you want to share this list on a paper, okay? Now what you can do from your computer is to click on more, or just hover on the more word, and then you can see these two options. Now let's click on the print list option, and you can see here all your items from your wish list which can be recommended for your people, okay? And you can just do this, and now you have this, but maybe you're wondering, where is the print button? Okay, so you're gonna go to your browser, and here you can click on File and click on Print, and it will show you how you can print your wish list or your recommended products. Now you can just select the printer that you want to print this in, and then you click on Print button, and there you go, there you have it. And the only way that you can actually print this from your phone is by taking screenshots and just send them to the printer. That's the only way that you can do it from your phone. The only thing that you can do it is going to the actual website on your mobile's browser, and then you can actually print it from there. But my recommendation will be to print it from your computer, so it will be easier for you. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.